Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code. I just opened this template of an event and here I want to place in QR code. So I'm just gonna delete this square for now and go to apps and search for QR code. This one on top here is created by Canva, so that is quite nice if you just want to have simple URL codes where no third party has any access to your data. So just click on open and then you can input the URL. I'm just gonna take the one that is here on the template. And then you can also click on this customize menu. You can change the background color and the foreground color and also the margin. I'm just gonna create the code for now. And you can see that it will drop into your document and you can place it and resize it where you want it to be. I'm just gonna put it down in the corner here. So just like that, you added a QR code into your flyer. If you want to edit it afterwards, you can just double click on it and you will be in this window again. Or you could click on it once and then click here on edit. However, with this QR code tool from Canva, you can just create codes going to an URL. If you want to show any other data in your QR code, you can go back to apps and look for it. This here, for example, could also give you information for a digital business card if you scan the QR code. Or with this QR code tool here, you could also track the engagement with the QR code. However, if you want to open this one, you have to connect it to your account. So that might cost some money. So for a simple QR code, I suggest using the QR code tool from Canva. You can also create QR codes with logos. This, however, you can also do with a few simple steps with just using the Canva QR code tool. To show you how to add a logo into a QR code, just let me add a new page and copy the QR code from above and resize it so that it fills the whole page. And now you want to add a logo. This is possible as in QR codes, the data is stored multiple times. So if some part of the QR code is obscured, it's mostly still possible to read the QR code if not too much is obscured or destroyed. So just go to elements, add a circle for example, and I will put it to white, and now you can put a logo there. So for example, select the runner and just place that inside of it, and just like that you have a QR code with a logo. If you adjust the QR code in any way, just make sure that you check its readability. You can just simply use your phone and check if it's still scannable. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one.